Hi learners, welcome to our another new video. Hope you all are doing very well, having a very good time and practicing your lessons regularly. So, today we are going to learn the name of 10 climbers, and here we go. Number 1. Pea plant. P E A P P L A N T plant. Pea plant. Number 2. Grapevine. G R A P E V I N E. Grapevine. Number 3. Money plant. M O N E Y. Money. P L A N T. Plant. Money plant. Number 4. Jasmine. J A S M I N E. Jasmine. Number 5. Ivy. I V Y. Ivy. Number 6. Morning Glory. M O R N I N G. Morning. G L O R Y. Glory. Morning Glory. Number 7. Beetle gourd. B I T T E R. Beetle. G O U R D. Gourd. Beetle gourd. Number 8. Pointed gourd. P O I N T E D. Pointed. G O U R D. Gourd. Pointed gourd. Number 9. Squash. S Q U A S H. Squash. Number 10. Ridge gourd. R I D G E. Ridge. G O U R D. Gourd. Ridge gourd. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned to learn more. Now, have a good day. Study well. Bye bye.